Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll go ahead and show you how you can convert and watermark a document using Power Automate. So the scenario is something like this. We have a sales team and who goes ahead and uploads few codes into the watermarking demo document library. However, what we want to do is convert this particular document into a PDF and add watermark to it across the page in the background saying confidential. Okay, so that's the scenario and let's go ahead and action on it. So the first thing that I do, I go into the Power Automate portal. I click on new, I click on automated flow. I'll click on skip. As a data source is SharePoint, I need to select the SharePoint data source when a file is created in the folder. So within few seconds, it will sign in automatically. I'll select the site and I'll select the folder. The folder is watermarking demo. Next, what I'll do, to convert and watermark the document, I'm going to use the Muhimbi PDF Converter connector. So I'll click on the connector and I'll click on convert action and I'll type in convert and select. So you see out here, it's asking me to sign in for the first time. However, I do not have an account. So how do I sign in? Yes, I don't sign in, I'll sign up as a new customer. So I'll quickly fill in the details. I'll just put in a password as well, and I'll select the country as India. So if you have a subscription already with Muhimbi, you can add your subscription ID and associate it. But this time I do not have one and I'm mimicking a new user, right? So I'm going to just say I agree to the agreement. So it tells me that I have registered and I'll get an email. So I'll open my Outlook in a new tab and wait for the email. And here, my friend, the email is here. I'll click on activate subscription. My subscription is activated. Okay, it tells me to sign in again. I'll click on sign in. And this time I'm going to put in the username, that is the email address, and the password that I had put in on the sign up form. And I'll click on login. And if you see within few seconds, it just took me in. So here I'm going to pass in the name of the file. I'll pass in the file content. Now the conversion is done. I need to do watermarking as well. So I'll type in Muhimbi and I'll add a text watermark. In the watermark, I need the processed file content. The watermarking content would be some text like confidential, font family Arial. Let's make it big, something like 70. Let's make it in the middle center. Word wrap is fine. I'll give it a big width because the font size is big. And here I'll put 1000 by 1000 and I'll put in the source file name as well. So base file name dot PDF. So remember, base file name is the file name without an extension. And next I'll type in create file. So SharePoint first. So create file. I'll click on the drop down. I'll search for my site. I'll select the folder where I need to write the file back. I'll go to shared documents and I'll click on watermarked document. I'll give this a name, base file name .pdf, and the file content would be processed file content from the add watermark action. I'll give this Power Automate a meaningful name. So the save is done. It gives me a warning saying that please make sure that the source and destination are different. In our case, it is different. So it's watermarking demo and we are writing the file back into shared documents inside a folder named as watermarked document. I'll select manual and let's test the flow. I'll go into watermark demo out here, watermarking demo. I'll select a file and I'll upload it. So now you see within few seconds, our Power Automate has triggered, is trying to convert the file. And it also added the watermark and it created the file back. So if I go to documents, if I click on this particular file, the file is created. And here you see, my friends, there is confidential. Now, if you want to tweak it a little, what you can do, you can go back to the watermark action out here. What I can say is that let's rotate it by minus 45 degrees. And when I rotate it by minus 45 degrees, also let me set the opacity to 30, right? So I'll save it and I'll try to test it again on the one that actually ran. So if I go back out here and try to open it in the browser, you see, we have a better watermark which is rotated by minus 45 degrees and the opacity is set to 30. So this is configurable. And I think that is pretty much it. I hope you liked the demo and thank you for listening. Bye bye for now.